Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the wig install, and this wig today is from Asteria hair. Now this is supposed to be a 13x6 frontal wig, but you can see clearly it was a 13x4. Also, it was supposed to be HD lace, but it's actually transparent, but it's super thin, so that's good. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys how I prep most of my wigs before the install. I dyed it jet black, and now I'm just kind of hot combing and going in and plucking it a little bit. Now what I can say is they did not provide the wig that they were supposed to. Like I said, it was supposed to be a 13x6, but it only had a 4-inch part space in the middle. And then it was supposed to be HD lace. Y'all, it looks HD, like it blends flawlessly, but I'm telling y'all, it was transparent. But anyway, this wig did feel like, the hair did feel like some good hair, honestly. It was super thick, and that's a plus, especially for it to be 30 inches, and it did look a little bit longer than 30. But right here, I'm just showing you guys me plucking. And I kind of plucked the wig after I installed it also. But I know y'all probably didn't want to see a video of me sitting there plucking. And then when I did style it, which was just flat iron and bone straight, I didn't record that part either because I felt like y'all already know how to do that. So why am I still doing it? But anyway, I'm going to just kind of walk y'all through the process. But I'm not trying to talk too much. So I'm going to just let y'all see. So here's the install process, and y'all, sorry about the light. It'll kind of get better throughout the video, but we just had to do what it do. And like, ain't gonna lie, we was laughing a lot throughout this, so you can kind of see us. And don't mind them crooked braids, it still lay flat and got the job done. Anyway, first thing you want to do is gel your edges back, like get that out the way. You won't want none of them in the way because you don't want to be pulled out. After you do that is when you want to apply your ball cap and melt it down. Y'all know already, I'm not too good with ball caps. I just do what I do. And for this, okay, one thing that I do have, like, really want to tell y'all. Oh, back there, I tinted the lace with tan from True Match lace conceal also. But what I do want to tell y'all, yes, you want some thin ball caps, but you also do not want to defeat the purpose of using a ball cap. Do you see how you can still see the black underneath the cap? I put a darker shade of brown makeup on it. You could have put the same exact color as the skin tone, but to me it really don't matter because that part is not going to show. But it's defeating the purpose. You want the ball cap to look like scalp, not hair. You see what, like, it's hard to explain. It's easier to show y'all. But I'm gonna just let y'all look at this because it's kind of self-explanatory because I did add more into the video. Again, sorry about the quality, but I'm working on it. So I have seen this question before. The reason why I only sew the cap halfway throughout the head is for whenever I get ready to do a touch up, I just pull the wig right, basically cut that cap off and then apply a whole new one. So instead of me having to take the whole wig off, cut the cap in, like, y'all get what I'm saying? I just do it that way. It's easier to me, but you know, to each his own. But another question I get is, what do you do to the wig in a bite? You can slow it down or you can leave it as is. A lot of my clients like to leave it as is because I like to get under and scratch. Some of them like to slow it down because they say it feels more secure and it lasts longer. It's really up to the client. Also, y'all, I know I'm gonna get comments about this. This video is not sponsored. I do not have any links, and no, I'm not gonna go look for the links. So I told y'all where I got the hair from. Go look on their site for a 30-inch frontal wig. Another thing, do not get in my comments, oh, you should have waited for it to dry clear, oh, you should have did this, oh, you should have did that. I didn't, and it still came out flawless, okay, y'all? It's like, I know what I be doing, like, not trying to sound cocky because I know I'm not the best, but I'm getting there. But anyway, when you apply thick layers of glue, you have to make sure you lay it down before it gets all the way dry, meaning nothing will stick. And like, I be putting thick layers on sometimes and not realizing it and I see it, and I be like, oh, don't let me hurry up and lay it down. Like, just relax, sit back and watch the process. So as you can see, it was giving me helmet, like, yeah, it went finna fly. So what I did was go in and pluck some more. I think I did most of the plucking off camera because, baby, if this wig was thick, I'm gonna give them that, it was thick. But I just went off camera and started plucking it, and I think I did flatten it off camera also. Now this is the wig all flat ironed out and all that. Now I think all I did after this was go in, do the baby hair. I put a little bit of makeup on the part because all of the knots in the back did not bleach the way I wanted them to. And then after that, we was done. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down some more videos that you guys will want me to do. I use Gorilla Snot for the edges, y'all. I know y'all gonna ask. Let me go ahead and say that.